Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we're watching lightning. There's a lot of lightning right now, and I just saw a tiny one.
I know you guys are like, but Isaiah, Micah, where do you live? We live in a castle.
La. Oh yeah. It's starting to rain.
Put the camera up closer to the window.
Tiny little bolt, lightning. Very normal, and I saw some flashes, and another flash. My goodness.
I know it doesn't look like much.
Yeah,
Guys,
this isn't that much. Oh, okay.
That
I
was
got
a
that
lot.
on camera. I just saw that. There goes. Oh, okay. Little flashes. Okay, that was really loud. It came from that direction. Oh, I was just about to pause the video too. Anyways, there it goes under. And here comes the rain. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
Wait.
Wow, can I hold the camera? This is loud.
It's better the other way. People will be able to see it. The camera.
1 second. I'm about to go back inside with it.
Oh, okay, guys. Okay. Oh my god, that was the biggest one yet, guys. I think that was the biggest one yet. That's a good thing because this just starts. Like it was. Oh, okay. Couple
I
flashes.
saw it.
Yeah, of course, it was a little big.
I bet you saw that big lightning, guys. A while ago, you know that house, the green one, right over there? Well, right beside it was a big, little gap. No, not the light red. No, right there. That little gap right over there, I saw 5 lightning bolts.
Yeah, 5 lightning bolts struck right over there by that light. Well, I like the waves. Like it shows waves of the rain.
We might see a lightning bolt on camera,
Can I open
guys.
the window? Okay.
Hello, guys. You can see my shadow up here.
That would be funny if I just took a picture. I was so close to taking a picture with a little bolt. I just took a picture if you didn't know, guys. So cool, like it looks like they're like
A poop.
wait, I thought that was
As long as it washes my truck off.
Daddy, me and
there's also a hair
I
down.
saw lightning bolts.
Yeah, there's
I saw
like
lightning bolts right over there, but like that.
Yeah,
Like
yeah,
boom, boom, boom.
over
Oh
there.
my gosh! Look at the wind.
Oh my gosh!
It said
Oh my goodness! Look, it just knocked over these trash cans. Look how you can't really see how windy it is.
tree limbs will probably break.
Yeah. Okay.
Is that better or does that make it worse?
It's
Make
better.
it better.
It's better. Not really. No, it doesn't show any bolts.
Now that's it.
Bolts. Oh, right when you turn off the light, it showed bolts.
Guys, I know you like. Where's all the rain? What the flip is wrong with them? Oh wait, those are the rain catchers.
Storm chasers.
Mommy,
We saw storm chasers.
my
it just
make
passed.
some lightning, and I'll make some thunder.
Blah blah. That's what it would be like. Like we saw, storm chasers just went down the street that way.
Who were they storm chasing? What did it say?
It just said storm chasers and
It didn't
and
say
it was
the
in
name
a
of the
black
news?
truck.
It didn't say the name of the news?
There's an
I don't think that's a storm chaser.
yeah. That's just they have to go.
Alright, you guys. Y'all got enough recording?
All right, guys. I think that's gonna be it.